should not be inserted as far as possible. Dotted lines shows this portion which is hidden. It will not be appear in left hand side view. This question is having weightage of 7 marks. So distribution would be 3 plus 2 plus 2. 2 marks for this drawing, 2 marks for this drawing, and 3 marks for this drawing. Of course, the distribution of mark depends upon the examiner. But if clarity is good and dimensions are inserted, name of views are written, then examiner will put 7 marks, full marks for these 3 views. I hope it would be clear to you how to draw this problem. Now question number 2b. Next problem. To be or. In option, the question is asked like this. Draw by the same projection method sectional front view from AA and left hand side view. We have to draw 2 views, sectional front view from AA and side view. Again here we have to imagine about the size of the object or its appearance. How would it appear? You can see here, this is the object, front view is given to us, this is top view, sectional front view is asked. So here first angle projection method is employed. This is AA, and sectional front view means we have to cut this portion from here to here, and here we have to draw sectional front view. Now to draw the view of this object, let me imagine the shape of this view. The shape of this view would be like this. You can see here. The object is given like this, and this would be the solution. This is the object which is given in the question paper, right? This is question figure number 3, 2b. This is the object. Cylinder is there, cylindrical portion is there, a cut is there, then here support is there, here another half curved or semi cut cylinder is there, and here is a slant support. So its isometric view would be like this. Here reverse U shape is there, cylinder is there, hollow cylinder with dimensions. Outside diameter is known to us 30 plus 10 plus 10. Inside diameter is 30 mm. These are the edges which are joined with this portion. So from here to cylindrical end. Now how to draw its sectional front view from AA and a left hand side view. So for that, let me think about the given problem. First we have to draw sectional view. The asked is sectional front view and left hand side view. So when we cut this object from here, from middle, this is rib support. So section line should not be drawn in this portion. In this portion from here to here, here some portion would be cut. So at this portion, cutting plane line would be there or section line would be there. From here to here, space is there, material is not there. Hence here sectional line would not appear. Here also in this portion section line would not appear. In this portion and this portion cutting plane line would be there. So first we draw its given views like this. 2 views are given to us. This is front view, this is top view. Now to draw its top view, let me think about the cutting portion. We can see here the cutting plane, this portion is cut. Hence we have to draw cutting plane line, cutting section lines in this portion only. So after cutting this object from here, these edges would appear from here. So it is here. Hence this line would be fully visible from here to here, right? This line. It's not dotted, then it will be appear. And in this portion it cuts the material, hence section line would be there in this portion like this. Cutting plane line should be there, and these lines would appear up to another end like this. and here also cylindrical portion is there, hence this dotted line would appear as a full line, because when we cut this portion from here like this, if I cut it from here, here some material is removed, so material cuts this cutting plane, or material is cut by this cutting plane, hence here section line would be there like this. So we have to draw section lines equidistant. All lines should make equal angle of 45 degree with XY line, and here dimension should not be inserted inside the drawing. We have to insert the dimensions outside the drawing. Draw its line and erase those lines which are below this cutting plane, below these section lines like this. Here is the line, outside line. Here lines are drawn, they should be erased, because once we draw section line, no any line should appear below this line. So this line should also be erased like this. This line should be erased, and this is the cut portion of given problem. And here also, after cutting this cylindrical portion, this line would be full line, and section line would be there in that portion also, because it's a cut portion. Hence here also section line would be there, which makes an angle of 45 degree with XY line, and all lines are equidistant line like this. And this question carries 7 marks. So for 7 marks, maximum we can spend 18 minutes. Before 18 minutes, this problem should be solved. To the scale, it includes all necessary aspects. Then after, in the solution of this problem, here and mention the name of view, it's a sectional front view. We can write here, it's a sectional front view. So this is the solution of our problem. It carries 3 to 4 marks. 3 marks for this, 3 marks for this, or 3, 1 and 3. Missing view is there, left hand side view, it carries 4 marks or 3 marks. That depends upon the examiner or paper setter, who will give the necessary importance to each question. And here this would appear as a dotted line, because to the back side the material is there, it would appear as dotted line like this. This should be erased. Now in top view it is given to us as it is, so just we have to redraw. From these two views we have to draw left hand side view or missing view of this object. So for that, let me take projection from here, draw 45 degree line, from there draw vertical line, from here draw horizontal line, and its front view or left hand side view would appear in this box only. This first draw the box of left hand side view, means width of the left hand side view and height of left hand side view. Width of left hand side view would be equal to height of top view, this one, and height of sectional front view and height of left hand side view would equal. Now in this object, you can see here, in this object, if we draw from this direction, these two rectangular shape would appear. We know the dimensions of these two rectangular shapes, so draw these two rectangular shapes as per the dimension over here like this. Insert the necessary dimensions in any two views, not in all views. It's not necessary to insert the dimensions in all 3 views. Then after drawing these 2 boxes, these 2 rectangles, let me think about this strip. This strip starts from here, ends to here. We know its width, so it could be drawn like this, starting point and end point like this. You can see here, this is the strip. And then the cylinder is cut on this side, which is not shown here. Here it is cut like this, so it would not appear. Here this is the cut portion. Hence, to show these ribs or these two cut portions, we have to draw here dotted lines from top to bottom like this. These dotted lines shows these cut portions which is given here. Here two cut portions are given which is shown by these dotted lines. Then after we have to draw these two full lines from here like this, and these two full lines shows these slant edges, these supports. These two supports are to be shown by these lines in this drawing. So this is the solution of this problem. Here of course dotted line would be there which shows the cylindrical hole which is there inside from upper line to lower line like this, and this is left hand side view of given problem. In examination you have to draw three views like this, and if needed you can alter the scale, and this is the final solution. In examination we will not use the sketch pen, we will use just pencil and eraser. So in examination it should be drawn like this, and mention the name of views, left hand side view, front view and top view like this, and insert necessary dimensions as and when needed. And also you should take care about drawing the lines. Suppose here circular hole is there, so we have to draw center line. Here dotted lines are there, here also center line is there, here center line is there. It should be drawn as and when needed. So that is question number 2b. It carries 7 marks and two views are asked here to draw. So 4, 3, 2 or 4, 3, 3, whatever would be the distribution for its marks. Now next question, question number 3a. In the previous two problems we have discussed about solution of missing views, how to find out missing view of given problem. Now here the data is given like this. A 30 mm side prism rest on its base is penetrated by 20 mm side prism such that axes of both the prism bisect each other at a right angle. The rectangular face of prism makes equal angle with vertical plane. Draw the penetration line. Here prism is given, dimension is given to us, square prisms are there, both prisms bisect each other. So it's a problem of square prism, square prism. It's like this. Two square prisms are there, 30 mm side square prism rests on its base. It is penetrated by 20 mm side prism such that both the axes bisect each other. So for this, first of all, let we draw XY line which represents intersection of HP and VP. Then draw a square top view of square prism. It would appear like this. A square which makes an equal angle with XY line, means all sides make an angle of 45 degree with XY line. Side length of is given, that is 30 mm. It is penetrated by 20 mm side prism. So after drawing this top view, draw its front view like this. Height is given to us. Take projection from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then name these points 1 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. To draw its side view, we draw a line at an angle of 45 degree with XY line like this. Then after take projections from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and this projection line cuts over here. From those points draw vertical lines, and this is the side view of given prism. So now we have drawn a 30 mm side prism which is resting on HP and makes equal angle with VP. All sides of this prism makes an equal angle. After drawing this side view, name the points on respective points, 1 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, etc. Then after, it is penetrated by another square prism like this. So in side view it would appear like this, a square which makes an angle of 45 degree with xy line. So mark here the point, a midpoint of its axis. From that point draw a square like this. Then name endpoints A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. From A dash draw horizontal lines. From B dash, C dash and D dash draw horizontal lines. So this would be the front view of this penetrating solid. Now to find out its top view, take projections from its top view, from its side view up to top view like this, and complete this top view. So until now we have drawn top view, front view and side view of both these square prism, vertical square prism and horizontal square prism. Now we have to think about the line of intersection, this line. This is the line of intersection. You can see here this line and this line from here to here, from here to here. How to find out the line of intersection of these points? So for that, let me start from here. We can pick up this point. You can see here this point. This point is here. So from this point, draw a vertical line. That vertical line will cut a line from D double dash at this point, like this. From this point also draw vertical line. Here one point is there. From these 2 points, from 3 you draw vertical line. So these are the 3 points, point number 1, 2 and 3, which shows the intersection of the edges. Similarly, on this side also 3 points would be there, 1, 2 and 3, and join all these points like this with a straight line, and it would appear like this. So this point of intersection or this line of intersection would appear like this in front view. Then after, draw a dotted line from here to here, because this horizontal prism is there which is inside this vertical prism. So from here to here its side would not appear. So this would be shown by dotted line. Here also dotted line would be there because it is inside this prism. Here also this edge would not appear. So dotted line, this edge which is backside, it will not appear. So shown by dotted line. And this is the final solution of given problem. A square